How you can download all of your media for a big job that includes photos, floor plan, drone photos, video, 3D tour, etc. Here is how easily that's done. So you got the notification that your job has been delivered. You open up our app on your phone, go down to completed, find that job, open it up, simply go to the download page. And then on this download page, you will see special links. So these are links for your marketing kit and property website. If you're a delivery only job, you won't have these. You'll just see this below. But you can click the clipboard to quickly grab those links and share them or paste them to the MLS. Underneath here, you can download a video. And then below that, you can download your photos. So say we want to download the entire folder of photos because we want to upload to the MLS from our phone. You can click that MLS files. You can see that that whole folder is starting to download below. And note that as this is going on, you have to stay in the app to keep that download happening. It will not happen in the background if you exit the app. Moving on, below that, you'll have individual photos and floor plans. Say you love this drone shot here. You can actually download this individually or a handful of them individually if you want to text them to somebody, for instance. So that folder is downloaded. Let's just download this individual one here. You can see that download one of one starting to happen. Let's say we want to download this video too because we only want to share it to Instagram. So we can see that begin to download. So again, our links are at the top, our video download is below, and below that is our all photos downloaded, followed by individual photos and floor plans. So where did all of this media just go? The amazing thing about our app is that it will download all of this media directly to your Photos app on your phone, meaning that it is right there available for you to upload to Instagram, Facebook, text to a friend, whatever you'd like to do with it, it is right there, just like any other photo or video that you have on your phone. So to prove that, I will go to my Photos app here, and then there we'll see all of the stuff we just downloaded. So we see the full download there, we see the video we downloaded here. Amazing. So let me just show you some extra credit steps. If you wanted to share that to Instagram, you could log into your Instagram, click new post story reel. Let's do a reel because we want to post that awesome video. We'll simply select that, click next, and then from there, it's typical Instagram. You will be able to share it that easy. So in a matter of minutes, you've been able to download all of your media directly to your phone and disperse it however you would like. Specifically posting on Instagram, which I know is super popular and helpful. If you have any questions about that, please let us know.